How did you use media technology in the research, planning, construction, and evaluation stages? One of the media technology I have used in the research stage is Smart Survey. I use this interesting website to gather audience feedback regarding horror movies. The reason why this website was used is because it allows you to see your audience's responses and exactly what they have said. Also, it enables you to convert your close answers into pie charts, which can be clearly seen and analytically checked through. Another media technology that I used as part of the research stage is Powtoon. This type of technology is a web-based animation software which enables you to create a video. There are many features that come with this software. In this case, I used the teacher classroom background in which the characters speak, and there are also buttons at the top which I use to add audio, music, and to upload pictures. You can also add transition and even alter how many seconds you want the slide to be. Another interesting media technology I used in the research stage is the app Camera 360 Ultimate. Firstly, I used social network WhatsApp to broadcast questions in order to gather as many feedback possible. Once I received the feedback, I wanted to ensure that the responses were anonymous. Thus, in order to make it anonymous, I used the app Camera 360 Ultimate, which enabled me to blur out information I don't require. Furthermore, one unique media technology I use to illustrate our mood board trailer is a phone app called PhotoGrid. This app has enabled me to select a feature called Pinboard, which then permitted me to choose any pictures and put them together. The app also allows you to change the color of the grid, which in this case I chose red. This is a funky app and also has other features such as video slides and photo editor. Another fascinating yet unique media technology I used in the planning stage is Storyboard That. I used this website to create a storyboard. This software has fantastic features which are easy to use. Some of the features I used are adding characters and changing their eye colors. I also used many different backgrounds which suited to what I think would look best in reality, and the website also enabled me to write on the side. One of the other media technology we used in the planning stage is Movie Maker. This software is easy to use and allows you to upload both pictures and videos. In this case, we had different videos to upload together. We added our own choice of background music, in this case a Saw theme song, and explained our work. The software also enables you to use different transitions and permits you to move the audio and files about. Moreover, one media technology I used during the construction or filming stage is when the film was being made and when the scenes were edited. We used Canon Rebel HD camera to film, and we used Final Cut Pro to edit. Firstly, many of the ghost walking scenes were recorded in case if extra scenes are needed. Thus, this came in great use when editing. We bladed the two scenes, the first in which the ghost is walking and the second in which the camera is moving up on the ghost. We finally mixed both the scenes together to create a perplex and eerie look on the scene. Another media technology I used during the construction or filming stage is during editing. During the ending of the film in the basement scene, there is a bit where our protagonist Karima is walking up the stairs. This scene looks different color than the other bits of the scene. Thus, to problem solve this, we decided to color match the scene. We clicked first on color match on the side, then clicked on choose. Then we clicked on the scene we wanted to match it with. This then allowed both of the scenes to look the same. In addition to this, one of the other media technology we used in the construction or filming stage is during the possession scene. We wanted to create a spooky effect which clearly shows a sudden change of the character being possessed. Thus, to add this effect, we edited using Final Cut Pro, and we first clicked on effects, then on light, then on bloom. This lighting flashes on the character's face and adds to the sudden change. Likewise, one media technology I used during the construction of the poster stage is the spotlight effect. We use this tool to reinforce the picture of our protagonist and our dispatcher in the poster. The primary focus on the poster is omitted on these two characters. In order to achieve this, we clicked on. Furthermore, another media technology I used during the construction of poster stage is the lasso tool. This feature was used to create an emphasis and to strengthen the color and horror of our ghost's face in the poster. In order to achieve this, we clicked on a circular button on the corner, then we clicked on a lasso tool, then we dragged it around the character's face and then copied and pasted it to create the ghostly effect. In addition to this, another media technology I used in the construction of the poster stage is when adding the text. We couldn't find a creative enough font to create our title, thus we resorted to downloading a digital font to add to the filming theme. This worked out well and we were able to type in the font name on the Photoshop. One media technology we used during the construction of the radio trailer stage is when we added all sounds and wanted to change the volume so every sound effect and music can be heard distinctly. Thus, in order to achieve this, we clicked on Mix, then Show Automation, and thus this effect was done successfully. Other media technology that was used during the construction of the radio trailer stage is when editing sounds. We used Logic Pro and we wanted to repeat some sounds profusely to have a sudden impact. Thus, to achieve this, we clicked on Edit, then Repeat, then we clicked on the amount of copies we wanted, and finally the repeated sounds was created. Finally, one media technology I used during the evaluating stage is Powtoon. This software has enabled me to use my own choice of background, which in this case I used a horror theme, spooky backgrounds. I was also able to voice over explanations and add our film theme song on playback. Furthermore, many different transitions were used and pictures were uploaded according to my taste. I also used a dictaphone to record my speech before I inputted it to the software.